Mmm. Don't whoop yourself with them. You don't want to get whooped with a noodle. Why don't you put your milk down and get it off your hand? You make the dogs happy. Put all your food on the floor.
Baba.
Baba. Can you get it? Put your milk down. You can get it. See? There you go. Don't throw him on Wally. Are you all done? Is that why you're throwing your food? Maggie, if you give away all your food, what are you going to eat? Ew, gross.
Yeah.
Cheers. Take a drink. Say bye-bye, everybody. Molly, get down. Say no. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye?